The first 6 months of 2026 proved one thing: Bollywood controversies are no longer just gossip. They now reach courts, commissions, police complaints, and even become a national conversation. From legal troubles and relationship bombshells to stand up comedy and superstar dispute, the entertainment industry has rarely been away from the headlines. Here are the biggest Bollywood and entertainment controversies of 2026 so far. Ranveer Singh's reported exit from Dawn 3 turned into one of the Bollywood's biggest industry dispute of the year. Reports claim that the actor's departure caused significant financial losses to the production, prompting the Federation of Western India Cine Employees, or the FWIC, to issue a non-cooperation advisory against him. Ranveer's team later challenged the matter legally, escalating the issue beyond industry circles. The controversy opened up larger questions about contractual obligations, financial accountability, and the immense power that superstars hold within Bollywood. Another controversy that dominated headlines was Sunita Ahuja's series of explosive remarks about Govinda and their marriage. In January, Sunita openly addressed rumors about Govinda's alleged involvement with a newcomer and said that she had heard that the woman was allegedly interested in the money. Govinda later responded by claiming that his family was being used as a part of a larger conspiracy. Then in May, Sunita again grabbed attention on laughter shelves while referring to Govinda's accidental gun incident when he had injured himself in the leg while handling his licensed revolver. Taking a playful but pointed dig, she linked it to his famous song Akhiyon Se Goli Mare and joked that a true hero respects his wife, but when there is a third party, the bullet ends up near the knees. The controversy got even bigger during her Lockup 2 appearance, where Sunita claimed Govinda had many affairs during their marriage and said that when you are in love with someone, you have to tolerate everything. Her comments sparked a storm across entertainment media and social platforms, while their daughter Tina Ahuja dismissed divorce rumors as nonsense. Between infidelity claims, public dig, and family clarification, Govinda and Sunita remained one of the most talked about celebrity couples of the first half of 2026. Comedian Praneeth More found himself at the center of one of the year's biggest internet controversies, the 370 Biryani Row. The backlash began after a viral crowd work clip featuring Himanshu Jangra making comments that many people described as misogynistic and disrespectful towards women went viral. The controversy snowballed on social media, attracting reactions from creators, celebrities, activists alike. Eventually, the matter reached the National Commission for Women, where Praneeth More, Himanshu Jangra, and Madhur Virli appeared for a hearing. Despite submitting written apologies, the NCW rejected them, retreating the content demeaning women cannot be justified in the name of comedy. The incident sparked a larger conversation about accountability in stand-up and digital entertainment. Veteran actor Rajpal Yadav found himself at the center of a major legal controversy after surrendering in connection with a Rs 9 crore check bounce and loan default case. The actor later secured interim bail, but what made headlines was how Bollywood rallied behind him. Many Bollywood celebrities like Salman Khan, Ajay Devgn, Varun Dhawan, and Sonu Sood stepped in to offer financial and professional support during the difficult period. Sonu even signed Rajpal for an upcoming project, and others reportedly helped him to settle the parts of his dues. The incident sparked conversation about financial struggles in showbiz and how the film fraternity often comes together during a crisis. And finally, A.R. Rahman sparked a nationwide debate after speaking about what he described as communal bias affecting his work. Opportunities in Bollywood. His comment quickly divided public opinion. While some supported the Oscar-winning composer and argued that he had raised an important issue, others questioned the validity of his claims. Rahman later clarified his remarks, insisting that he never intended to target any community or create division. Nevertheless, the controversy reignited discussion about identity, representation, and inclusivity in India's entertainment industry and making it one of the most talking points in 2026 so far. From legal troubles and relationship bombshells to comedy rows and superstar dispute, 2026 has already shown that Bollywood's biggest drama often unfolds far beyond the silver screen. And with 6 months still left in the year, there's no telling what controversies are yet to come. Which controversies grabbed your attention? Comment below. And for more such content, make sure you subscribe to FPJ Showbiz.